In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unshare a Google Slides presentation with someone using the latest 2025 interface. Whether you've finished collaborating, want to protect sensitive information, or simply want to manage who can access your file, unsharing is quick and straightforward. Let's go step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by typing slides.google.com into your address bar or by selecting it from the Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure you're using the same account that owns or was shared the presentation. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Slides homepage where you can see all your recent presentations. Next, find the presentation you want to unshare. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you find it, click to open the file. When your presentation opens, look toward the top right corner of the screen and select the Share button. This will open the updated sharing window, which now includes clearer controls for managing collaborators. In this panel, you'll see the Share with People and Groups section, displaying everyone who currently has access to your file. To unshare someone, hover over their name. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down arrow or role indicator, such as Editor, Viewer, or Commenter. Click it, and from the menu that appears, select Remove Access or Remove. Once done, that person will immediately lose the ability to open, edit, or view your Google Slides presentation. If you want to completely stop sharing your file with anyone other than yourself, move to the General Access section below. Click on the drop-down menu that says Anyone with the link and change it to Restricted. This ensures that only specific people you directly invite can access the file. Before you close the sharing window, double-check your list to confirm that only the intended users remain. Once satisfied, click Done to save the changes, and that's it. You've successfully unshared your Google Slides presentation using the 2025 interface. It's always a good idea to periodically review your sharing settings to maintain control over your document and protect your privacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more productivity and Google Workspace tips. Happy slide making.